Maray na aldaw, maray na alga. It's so nice out today. I'm not quite sure what's the temperature, but the sun is out. The volcano is out. She's showing off. We're heading for breakfast now. So today we're gonna go see my parents' place, my home. So we're gonna see my nieces and nephew. I'm looking forward to it. I've heard that they are so excited. My nieces are like ready to sing and show some entertainment to us, and my nephew even made like my mom said it's like a bracelet, a beads bracelet. So I'm excited. And also we're gonna unbox the pasalubong box. You know, it's like a culture, like, you know, you send them some stuff. It make them happy, and it makes you happy when you see them happy. But anyway, we're gonna head out and have breakfast. And I think today my hair is all up because it's so humid. It's like all frizzy. Anyway, see you later.
This is our room from the outside. We got pool, and then this deck out here.
These are like these are all rice based. This here, they're all rice based. I had that yesterday, so I'm gonna have this one today, and this one.
Oh, Gahan.
Yes, happy breakfast. Fried rice.
Rice.
Oh, looks good. Soup, corn, crab and corn.
Crab.
Champorado is rice with chocolate cocoa.
Breakfast. And this is steamed rice in a banana leaf. This is noodle, fish fillet, and chicken stew. Alright, so what do we have here?
Ibos.
Ibos.
This is balisongsong.
Alright.
This is binutong.
Binutong, yeah.
And of course I have my dried fish. And then it's dilis in, we call it like body.
And what's in each of these, rice?
So yeah, these are all rice based. This one is rice with some coconut milk.
Yeah.
This one is the rice in this one is like still like the rice grain. This one is like rice flour, and had some, I think also some coconut milk. And this is just rice, but with coconut milk as well. I think so. I can't remember, but yeah, this is what's inside.
Let's see.
Oops. Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah. So look how like our this is a coconut leaves. So they just remove the part here.
Yeah.
Just like remove, like make it thin. So yeah. So
nice.
that's ibos. Let me just put it on my plate. And then this one. So they're all like really nice, and like the way they wrap it, it's really nice. It's wicked. So yeah, like that. See, look at that. Looks beautiful.
Pretty color. That's good.
And then this one, I'm gonna just unwrap this. See, this is also, it's tied. So let's see if I think this calls for a knife. Wait until.
This one's childproof.
I can't leave it off.
Actually,
the one you got is already open, right?
Yeah.
My hand is all.
No, it didn't have all the tie. Oh,
it's tied. Tied so it doesn't get away.
Let's see what's inside.
Let me just move this so I have space for that.
Alright. Unwrap. And what do we have?
This one is rice. So this is wrapped in banana leaves.
Let's see.
That's it.
And surprise, it is rice.
Ta-da! See, this is what's inside.
That's good.
Look at that. Beautiful. I covered all my other food. So yeah, that's what's inside.
Why is this one brown?
No, they have because we have like a brown rice, like a purple rice actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
See, the rice is all sticky. Let's see this. Yum.
Good with the. It's good to eat with the dilis.
And when you slice into this, so this is like typical breakfast. Dry fish, rice.
This one usually like a snack, more of a snack, but they offer here.
What is it, dried fish? Like a more of a breakfast thing?
Yeah, breakfast, dried fish.
So enjoying breakfast?
Yeah, I'm on my fruits now.
Fruits.
He gave me a lot, but I'm waiting for the pineapple and
Any mangoes?
watermelon. No, I asked the water from. He doesn't have a mango, but later on I'll check again. But I know we have mangoes at Mama's and Papa's, so
Oh,
lunch
okay.
time we'll have it.
Sounds good.
We have some ice cream for the kids.
Yes. Hey, what's how do you say the cutlery in your dialect?
It's just like this one is tinidor.
Tinidor?
This is kuchara.
Chara?
This kuchara though is more for like soup. We have a different shape of kuchara that you use for eating. And then this one is cuchillo.
Cuchillo.
Cuchillo. What do you wanna learn more? Say it.
Tinidor, cuchara, and I forgot what knife was.
Cuchillo.
Cuchillo.
And then this one,
Agua.
baso.
Azo.
Tubig.
How is it?
Baso.
Baso?
Baso.
Baso.
Okay, salamat. So more food. Cheers. Yeah, cheers. Kampai.
Kampai.
I don't know. The
Sorry,
small plate.
Plate is what?
Platito.
Platito. That I can remember.
The big one is plato.
Plato. Plato and platito.
Okay.
Man, the pineapple is so fresh. And I just realized now, I mean, we always import pineapple at home, right? This is fresh. This is good. So then almost done breakfast. Sally's parents are going to pick us up along with our nieces and nephews.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it because my mom was saying like they're really so excited. So yeah, haven't seen them in 8 years, so I'm really looking forward to it. Sa video, yan si Faith. Oh, si Ate Ami. Oh, PJ. Hi. Hi din si Kuya PJ. Oh, hi. Oh, Kuya. Oh, yan. Oh. Kaya, bilang kulintas ko. I have a necklace made by my nieces and my nephew. And then I also have a ring. And, yeah. So, Ryan have one too. So you have a necklace, a welcome necklace. Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah. So yeah, we're driving to go to my home, and where Papa's driving us. So we will be home in like 30 minutes. Okay. Hi again. Hi, Nay. Kuya PJ, hi. Oh, yeah. Okay. Traffic here.
Did you used to drive here, Sally?
No.
Not at all?
Motorcycle. But not here. They are one more now. This is my hometown.
And Classics.
The jeepney says pen pals.
I see it, yeah.
That's a volcano.
Yeah,
Then
I
you
see
can
it.
see it bigger.
Yeah,
From here.
that is cool.
One lane each. So these are like the pinangat, which is this is store called pinangat. Pinangat in Ilocano. Those are like the specialty in hometown. People like bring them abroad. They would like freeze them and then take with them.
Oh,
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
that's
So
like
these are
that.
the places here, like small. We used to live on this street here. That's where we used to live. That way, we used to live there. So this is the andox where the chicken.
Yeah, I've
place
seen
is.
this. I like was
Yeah. This is the the court here, basketball at night. That's what we used to watch when we were young. There's a little.
I remember seeing the andox in one of the videos we were watching. Remember like
Yeah,
on
the
YouTube?
picture.
I know on YouTube.
Oh yeah, no, the andox is everywhere.
Oh, it's a chain.
Sa rin kita pa.
Oh, there's the market.
Magalibot ka na.
Yan yung nakita pinigta.
Hindi lang sa ka. Oh, dito na nagan sa nako. Oh, dyan. Oh.
Oh, this is a public market.
Right here. It's big.
Going in, we're almost home. This is our like subdivision. Oh no. We live. We're home. On the left.
I see even a volcano.
Yeah.
You guys are
We're home. Kenny, this is home.
home.
Oh, kanta, sige, kanta niya ng baby. Hindi ka magmundo, bay, diretso lang. Oh, dali, otro. Dali, otro kila yun.
Mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Hey, I just did it. Because why not? Because
That's his house.
Yeah. And then that's all like mama's plant. Then those are the pomelo, but we don't take the pomelo there.
So
her
that's the
plants.
net used to collect
Yeah.
them?
No,
They
collect
fall.
the leaves. Because she has to like. Let's go. This is Papa's car. Oh look, this is the motorcycle.
Oh, nice.
This is the type of motorcycle I used to ride, honey. This is my bike. This leaves here, this is like the called apay. That's taro leaves. And there's like some chilies there for Seba.
Where? Right there.
This is chili, so chili. This is a guava. The guayaba. That's a jackfruit tree and mango.
Jesus.
They want to go up and they want to show you up. Can you go up in this one?
Yeah, I think so. It's like up, right?
Okay, go up, dali.
If you
Ala. Oh, mama has pomelos.
There's the, look at the volcano.
That's like the banana. What you kind of, okay, there's all these things for the
Oh, okay, yeah.
for hanging the
I see it.
melons. Those are mango trees and look mango, but the small, the mangoes are just starting to
Yeah.
bear fruits. These are all the mangoes.
Green tree.
I think, kastanyas yan. Hindi mo pagtapok. I think kastanyas. Mas kastanyas. Abok naman yung kastanyas. Oh, kastanyas. See here?
So this would grow those dragon
Dragon
fruit?
fruit yan. I think that, yeah, that's dragon fruit.
Okay.
So ito ang kalayan. Sure. Hindi, pakita mo ka ang kalayan.
Oh, nice. Oh, look.
Yeah, okay, break. Dara na ki mama. Dara mo nunoy sa baba. Ki mama. Naulog ay po sa nunoy PJ naulog.
Kuya! Kada-kada!
Tawag gid po kay PJ. Oh. Magalat na nay. Parehas.
May puti sa'yo. Kay Kuya.
Mag-istorya ka mo ni Kuya kung isa sa inyo. Gina dito kay Kuya. Mag-istorya ka mo kung alin si Maring kay Kuya. Oh. Lagi na. Pet, kada ka ng sandal dyan. Sibutan ba niya nung dito?
Buto!
Oh, sisi ang maya sa de.
Hey!
Nung darani pa kita dito ni Mami, darani dito. Si mo yan kita. Nagapirong-pirong. Kina nagatarutang kasan sa pantos kinamidyasan. Oh, darana pa kita na kay Mami sing mo yan.
Diyan na natakot ako.
Natakot ka. Oh, si Sapid. Sanay ka. Kawang mo baga. Malanggayon.
Sagay ito.
Oh.
Kaya may baga malang takot.
Ay mo na dito, gina dito.
Dali na, pe!
Oh, pariyo nagatakot kini ko ba takot. Nakulo pa gaya na gina.
Saka na yung bangsa niyo.
Okay.
I sure that in common too.
Socks.
Gotta have it all.
Yan suka, di ba ba? Nani